How to reset your Truist Bank password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Truist Bank password online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to click on this button and here you simply have to enter your user ID. And here, after entering your user ID, you can simply click on reset password if you forget one, and here once you do that you'll be prompted to the page where you can reset your password. So here on this page you have to select your account type. So here simply select your account type and after that you can simply click on continue. And now here, once you do that, on the next page, you have to enter your account credential. So here, simply enter the email address associated with your account at the first step. And on the next text field, you have to enter the social security number. And here, once you're done entering your social security number, at last, you have to enter your user ID. And here, once you're done entering your user ID, you simply have to click on continue. And after that, you simply have to choose how you'd like to receive your verification code on the next page, like via text, email, or phone call. And once you do that, you have to enter the code you received. And after that, on the next page, you have to create your new password and make it strong by using a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And once you're done with that, you can simply save your changes. And once you do that, you'll get a confirmation that your password was updated and now you can log in using your new credential. And that's it. That's how you can reset your Truist Bank password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.